Good morning, YouTube. It is Friday, October 2nd, I think. I'll check it when we get in the car. That's pretty cool. Come on, Raptor. It's about weather. Alright, YouTube. What y'all guys got planned for the weekend? I think we're gonna head up to Cars and Coffee tomorrow, see what we can get into, or either, and I think we might go to the track tonight. I'm not sure. We'll see what everybody's got going on. Figure out something to do. Let me get out of the way of this guy. How's y'all's week been? Ours has been pretty fast. Been pretty busy. Now today we're going to be getting some motors together. Finally got that back from the machine shop. And then I'm going to see if we can get, I think we got 2 more engines to tear down and get to the machine shop. But we'll get into that when we get back, or get to the shop. Stop by the store, grab some energy drinks, and we're going to be at the office. Grab some energy. Got you guys one too. I need to get the Raptor washed, but it still looks good though. It's Friday. We may or may not have done some hill climbs yesterday. I don't know what happened there. Let's get it. S209. We did an oil change for Adam on this. He's gonna pick it up, and we got future plans for it. And I think E85 is in its future. Maybe a front mount. I'm trying to get him talked into it. Drop a comment below if you think he should put one on it. I think he needs one. And more power, baby. GT-R off in the back right there. Dang, this monster's had a hard life. Oh well. Alright. I'll be back in a little bit, guys. Gotta do some work. Alright, guys. We're gonna go get the GT-R cleaned up today. Alright guys, we're here to get the GT-R cleaned up at the island. Alright guys, they got me all taken care of, cleaned up, shining. If y'all need anything ceramic coated or anything, hit up the island. Oh dang, they even cleaned the inside. Guys, and all I did is got a little, they offer no appointments, anything, 25. It's only 25 bucks, and they knock it out in like 10 minutes. And I mean, I didn't even know they was gonna vacuum the carpet and stuff, and heck, it had a lot of dust right in here. It's all cleaned up. Can't beat it. Alright, we're gonna head back to the shop. But yeah, if you're in Clarksville, Tennessee, this is where we take our stuff to get it cleaned up. Like I said, this is like a $25 plus tax, and I mean, in and out. Clean up the steering wheel. I didn't even know it was dirty. Subaru. GT-R is looking good. Uh-oh. S209 looking good. We're putting a rear O2 sensor on the Evo. They're on a check engine light for it, so we're replacing that. Alright, we ended up changing the rear O2 on this, and we went ahead and did an oil change. So got everything taken care of. Trying to figure out an issue with the transfer case, but I don't know. We're going to get it up in the air and try to bleed it and see if it does better. But other than that, trying to pick up an exhaust in Nashville for it, maybe this weekend or next, and we might.
Not next weekend.
Oh no!
Next weekend we got a surprise coming up.
We're taking a trip.
Little trip.
And Adrian is changing the oil in the Raptor for the trip.
Yes, we can get that exhaust in this weekend.
Yeah, well, I might try to find that. Here's Adrian's project. It's a little four-banger.
That's the other project.
Right.
That's the slow car.
Yep. We got 2 sets of heads back from the machine shop. Almost got this one wrapped up. And also, where's my Evo guys with some wheel specs? I don't know the specs of offsets that you run on these. Any recommendations? Drop a comment below. Alright guys, and I think we're going to be at Cars and Coffee tomorrow, which probably won't do y'all no good since I'm going to upload this tomorrow morning. We might have to drop this one a little early. 2 videos in one day, the world's going to go crazy.
I mean, Anthony's going to be editing like crazy.
Yep, and then he's going to have to get up early too. Damn.
I know, and I got a car to work on at the house.
Oh shit.
Working on a Blobeye.
When's that going to come up?
I don't know.
And it's his birthday, so drop.
Oh yeah, it's Sunday.
Drop a happy comment birthday.
I'm gonna be 18. Woo!
But yeah, we're probably gonna go to Cars and Coffee tomorrow, so we'll have another video too. And then I don't know. We'll see what we get into this weekend. We're just gonna run and spray off the S209 for Adam. That way, he's going to Cars and Coffee too tomorrow. So if y'all see him, stop and tell him hi. But it's a little dirty. Got some dust on it. But we're gonna run to the car wash and get it sprayed off.
We're at the car wash. Tommy's about to spray her out. I don't know how close he got on it, but it was a little dusty. Yep. Ready to go. Back at the shop, Tommy's gonna use the secret sauce to finish cleaning this thing off. Got a lot of secret sauces here. That's how you change the oil on a Raptor. Laying belly down on a creeper.
Alright, we got it all detail sprayed and wiped down. And he does have the whole front end PD, PPF, I don't know, it's clear broad, whatever you call it. PPF.
Paint protection film.
Yeah, what he said. Guys, get on it. But he's got the car done by Velocity, so it protects it very well, and it actually cleans up really good. So, but yeah, no, it's definitely shining. But he's going to Cars and Coffee tomorrow, like I said. Check him out, stop by and say hi. Oh yeah, we forgot one thing. Hang on a second, I'll be back, guys. It's missing something in this area. Guys, what it was missing. A good color choice. We got this color too. If any of y'all guys are interested in the stickers, we have them in stock. Just hit us up. They're like $10 a piece, and we can ship them out too. Any color. We got some Boost Cartel stickers too.
This is a custom job.
Link in bio.
I don't even know if I still have that URL.
Oh really?
Boostcartel.jp.
I don't know.
I mean, I pay for it every month, so it should still be there.
Right. Hit them up.
I have a lot of stuff that ships out to New Zealand and Australia.
Oh.
Everything's on there.
Go buy a lanyard or something.
These are my favorite.
A decal.
Yeah, we got lineage. Everything's on sale because I'm low on stock. I'm trying to blow it all out and then order new stuff. So, get you some.
Keep the good stuff in it.
Yeah, if y'all need AMSOIL, let us know.
Yep. We're a dealer. 530 signature. We popping bottles over here. Looking nice.
Sounding nice.
We do those too. Let us know.
Yep. Yo, Adrian. Alright guys, we stayed a little late to finish up that car. It's the first start on it. So we can get it out next week for a customer. We're going to put some miles on it, like the first 100. And we also got to put up, see what's up with the brakes, and then go from there. But we'll be at Cars and Coffee on Saturday. Hope to see y'all guys there. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Drop us a like. Drop us a comment if you have any questions. And we'll see you in the next video. Peace.